Hello, my name's Evan and I'm here at Burdeen's Jewelers. I'm going to talk to you today about the IWC collection, particularly the IWC Ingenieur. Down here I have a beautiful piece called the Ingenieur, designed by Gerald Genta. I love these pieces because they're race inspired, very unique design, but they're still something you can dress up or wear casual, so it gives you a little bit of versatility. This particular one is made out of 18 karat rose gold. You can see the rose gold case and tang buckle. Genuine crocodile strap along with it. And then if I flip this over, you can see it's a beautiful exhibition case back movement. This is IWC's in-house movement. Very accurate, phenomenal for timekeeping, which is one of the functions on this, is the chronograph. So if I flip it over here, we can take a little bit more of an in-depth look at the dial. It's a pewter gray dial. You have 3 sub-dials at 12, 9, and 6. You have the date at 3 o'clock as well. Very smooth motion. As you can see, I start the chronograph. The second hand is swooping slowly. It's all luminous, so the hour hands and the hour markers, hour and minute hands and hour marker are all luminous. So start, stop, and we can reset as well. One of my favorite pieces, it's race inspired, so they make a lot of limited edition pieces with this collection. Tribute to Formula One racers. If you're big into racing, this is definitely a must-have piece in your collection. Thanks for watching the video on this particular IWC Ingenieur. We also have a lot of other terrific brands here at Burdeen's Jewelry, which I'm sure you'll be learning about in the next coming months. We're going to post more videos as we go along. My name is Evan. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.